This is a video on how to fix a stiff E46 door handle. The method is different for the left and right doors. We'll start with the right door. What you want to do first is remove the black cover, and then behind it you'll see that there's an Allen key that you need to turn. The size that you need is a 4mm Allen key. Place the Allen key in the hole, and for the right door you need to turn it anti-clockwise. This one was quite loose. Keep going till it becomes reasonably tight. Once you've tightened the screw, close the door and open the door a few times, and you'll see that the handle is now a lot more freer than before. And a lot more easier to open. Now we move on to the left door. On the left door it's the same procedure, but you need to turn the screw clockwise to tighten up the door handle. So remove the cover again, use your 4mm Allen key, as you can see, to turn the screw clockwise till it becomes reasonably tight. Push the cover on, and you can now see that the door opens a lot more freer than it did before.